Hi everyone! Today's vegan shojin ryori is super easy dashi soy sauce. You can feel the delicious taste umami of dried shiitake mushrooms and kombu kelp. Only 3 ingredients. Let's make it together. First, put dried shiitake mushrooms in a clean container and pour soy sauce. Second, store in the refrigerator for a day. Third, when the shiitake mushrooms are soft, take them out and cut them into small pieces. Save this soy sauce for later use. Cut the kombu kelp into 5 mm width. Fifth, put shiitake mushrooms and kombu kelp in a clean container. Pour the soy sauce that had been soaked in dried shiitake mushrooms. It's done. Please pour dashi soy sauce over tofu. You can feel how tasty this dashi soy sauce is. When the soy sauce is running low, add more. After using it for about 2 months, take out the shiitake mushrooms and kombu kelp when the soy sauce runs out. It looks black like this, but it is delicious when chopped into fried rice, added a little to salad, or mixed with sushi rice. Please do not throw it away and use it. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。